Hi guys, this is Mallika here with Prima Marketing, and today I will be sharing this beautiful art journal page which I have made using some supplies from our Art Daily line. These are the beautiful supplies which I have got from our Art Daily line, and they're absolutely gorgeous and amazing to work with. So the first thing which I'm gonna do is prep my base, and for that I will be using some clear gesso such that my paper and doesn't become soggy once I add colors to it. And while I'm doing this, I want to tell you guys that this is kind of my second art journal page which I've ever done in my life, so please excuse me if I do any mistakes. These mechanical clips are a really must have because they really help you to straighten the page and form the page in the right shape. I'm using this beautiful stencil by Prima Marketing, again by Finnabair, an amazing paper texture paste. I love this paste so much. And using my spatula, I'm going to apply some texture. And once that is done, I'm going to be using some colors. For this, I have taken splash of different colors. They all are in shade of browns, like linen browns and burlap. And these are the new Impasto paints which we released couple of months back. And using my paintbrush, I'm going to apply the color and blend everything together. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and add some more colors on the side, and here I've taken this military green print which looks absolutely gorgeous. And after that, I'm going to be applying some more color, different shades. I just like the process of mixing colors and letting it go where it wants to go, like not being specific of how I want it to be. And in the end, I'm going to just add some dark brown, dark chocolate color so that it gets a very nice stainy effect, such that it looks like I have given some tea stains or dark stains. It really looks super beautiful, which you're going to see once the page is complete. Art journaling is so therapeutic. I can't even tell you guys. Like, I mean, I'm going through something right now in my life, and it's just amazing using these supplies and then just creating whatever I feel like, whatever speaks to me. And this is one form of art which is not even very intimidating because you don't need many supplies. And Prima Marketing has everything to offer right exactly at one place, so which really helps. Like, I don't have to run here and there to different places or different brands and see what I want and what I don't want. Like, they have beautiful supplies. Whenever is a beautiful artist. So here I've taken some white gesso, and like I'm adding some white splash because it's very important to give that texture. And now I'm adding some black splashes. Again, this is done using some black gesso, and I love it. Like, I love this step. Now I'm selecting the stamps which I've received in my design team package, and I have decided to go forward with this texture stamp, which is beautiful, like script, postal sort of a script. And using a acrylic block, I'm gonna just press it down and add colors and definition to it. And now I decided that it needs more of a good press, so I just took out the page individually because it's a good ring binded album, and I was able to apply proper pressure and get the whole impression out of it. The next step is deciding what picture to use, and I saw this picture which says trust yourself more than you think you do, and it completely spoke to me because I'm going through something and it's really important for me to trust myself right now. Here you can see some beautiful tissue tapes by Finnabair, and again these are perfect addition to your art dailies. I mean, if you like journaling, do invest in these tapes. They're really good. Given that there was so much of texture on the paper, these tapes were a little hard to adhere. So I decided to take some clear gesso and go on top of it such that the tape is properly adhered to my background. Once the clear gesso is dry, I decided to add some die cuts. These are some random die cuts which I have from, uh, you know, uh, from my stash, and then I added some black thread and added a picture on top of it. Once that part is done, I decided to add some sentiments, and these are metal plates by Prima, and it says take your time. I'm going to put that, and once that is done, I took some leaves again by Prima Marketing in the metal line, and I'm adding it to it. Once all of this is done, I will just adhere everything properly with the glue gun such that it doesn't come out, and paper and hot glue works very well, like it will be stuck forever. Now I've just taken some soft matte gel and I wanted to add some glass glitters. The color which I'm using is called Midnight Black or something. I'm gonna just add it in the link below, like whatever products I'm using. In the last step, to balance the whole thing out, I covered my picture and my sentiment and I decided to add some more white sprinkles around. They add a lot of definition and they make sure everything blends in. This is really important step in mixed media and I love doing it. So here it is guys, my art journal is ready. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it and I'll see you guys next time.